Welcome back for previous year questions analysis. Hope you're practicing more questions. Solving previous year questions helps you to follow syllabus and pattern more accurate. We adopted parliamentary democracy based on the British model, but how does our model differ from that model? 1. As regards legislation, the British Parliament is supreme or sovereign, but in India, the power of the Parliament to legislate is limited. 2. In India, matters related to the constitutionality of the amendment of an Act of the Parliament are referred to the Constitution Bench by the Supreme Court. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. Both 1 and 2, D. Neither 1 nor 2. Answer is option A. Statement 1 is correct. Parliamentary sovereignty is a principle of the UK Constitution. It makes Parliament the supreme legal authority in the UK, which can create or end any law. Parliament of India is a creation of the Constitution, and hence for that reason itself, it has its limitations too. Statement 2 is incorrect. The Constitution, 42nd Amendment, Act, 1976, inserted various articles in the Constitution to curtail, both directly and indirectly, the jurisdiction of the Supreme Court and the High Courts to review the constitutionality of laws. Which one of the following in Indian polity is an essential feature that indicates that it is federal in character? A. The independence of judiciary is safeguarded. B. The Union Legislature has elected representatives from constituent units. C. The Union Cabinet can have elected representatives from regional parties. D. The fundamental rights are enforceable by courts of law. Answer is option A. Key features of federalism. There are 2 or more levels, or tiers, of government. Different tiers of government govern the same citizens, but each tier has its own jurisdiction in specific matters of legislation, taxation, and administration. The jurisdictions of the respective levels or tiers of government are specified in the Constitution. So the existence and authority of each tier of government is constitutionally guaranteed. The fundamental provisions of the Constitution cannot be unilaterally changed by one level of government. Such changes require the consent of both the levels of government. The most important feature of the federal system adopted by the Indian Constitution is the principle that relations between the states and the centre would be based on cooperation. And for this, independent judiciary is the prerequisite. Sources of revenue for each level of government are clearly specified to ensure its financial autonomy. Keep practicing more previous year questions. Thank you.